These, by the way, chat, these right here, oh my goodness.
Chat, these brownies, dude, I could
smash.
Oh my goodness!
Bro, those brownies,
Dude, I'm talking double fisted, just like 6 family-size boxes with absolute ease.
no end in sight until I literally can't move and my leg goes numb.
That's how many of those things I can eat. Like, they're so good. The little crunchies on top. I'd be sucking down some mac and cheese. I'm shutting the broadcast down.
Let me get a bite!
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That cosmic brownie with the little crunchies on the top.